Hyundai Nexo's second-generation hydrogen fuel cell vehicle was officially introduced at the 2025 Seoul Mobility Show. Hyundai Nexo, which is a reference model in the field of hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, has become the representative of environmentally friendly travel with its zero-emission and fast hydrogen refueling technology since its launch in 2018. Developed based on Hyundai's HTWO hydrogen fuel cell technology platform, the new car offers 5-minute hydrogen refueling performance and 700-kilometer driving range. The second generation of Nexo reflects the sense of technology and futurism by changing the rounded lines of the first generation and adopting hard lines and angular lines. The front face of the vehicle is designed with a closed front grille compatible with a 4-point LED lighting group, and the aerodynamic air intakes integrated on both sides of the front frame increase the sporty features. The split headlights and end-to-end LED daytime running lights create a strong visual contrast, while the triangular main light group at the bottom increases recognition. In order to increase technology and aerodynamic efficiency, there is a floating roof, black fenders, two-tone rims and hidden door handles on the sides and rear. There are dot strike, transition-type stop lamps and a three-dimensional rear frame on the tail section. The fuel cell logo emphasizes the vehicle's hydrogen energy identity. The vehicle, which is 4,750 mm long, 1865 mm wide and 1640/1673 mm high, has a wheelbase of 2,790 mm, 70 mm longer than the first generation and has a more spacious living space. The C-pillar side windows and black roof rack create a visual extension, while its solid structure combines functionality and beauty. The interior consists of two 12.3-inch connected screens that form the core of the digital cockpit and a 12-inch HUD head-up display that supports touch and voice interaction. The interior uses environmentally friendly materials to reduce carbon footprint. It is equipped with a rotary electronic gear lever, independent touch air conditioning panel, dual mobile phone wireless charging and a 14-speaker B&O sound system. Configurations such as digital rearview mirror, panoramic view, electric tailgate increase ease of use. The second-generation Nexo is equipped with Hyundai's L2 driver assistance system. As for the core power configuration, the vehicle is equipped with a 2.64 kWh battery pack and a 147 horsepower hydrogen fuel cell stack, a single 201 horsepower motor, and can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 7.8 seconds. The capacity of the hydrogen storage tank has been increased from 6.33 kilograms to 6.69 kilograms, while the cruising range has been increased to 700 kilometers, and the hydrogen refueling time can be controlled in 5 minutes. The only emission during driving is water, achieving truly zero pollution and zero emissions. As for the safety of hydrogen storage tanks, the vehicle uses multi-layer composite materials and has undergone rigorous testing. The system layout is more compact and equipped with a redundant safety design. The second generation of Hyundai Nexo redefines the standards of environmentally friendly travel with its powerful hydrogen energy technology and avant-garde design. Hyundai has set out to provide full-cycle solutions from production to application with the HTWO hydrogen energy value chain layout. The price of the vehicle is expected to be around 300,000 yuan, and the price is expected to drop further after subsidies. This will become an important driving force for the popularization of hydrogen energy.